Hi students, in this session we are going to discuss about an algorithm, polygonal approximation using minimum perimeter polygon. In the previous day we described about chain code. There we have some shapes. Each shape, when we enclose in a grid-like structure, we get straight line segments like this. We get straight line segments. So it is easy for us to number the straight line segments. So each line segment, depending upon the shape, it has a number 7. This is 6, 6, 5, etc. But here we have a shape like which boundary is a curve-like pattern. So how to represent and describe such a shape? This is our problem for today. Now enclose this shape in a grid-like pattern. Mark the boundary of the curve using this gray grid. Okay, this gray colored grid represents the boundary of the curve. So, what is happening? If we imagine that this is a pipe and this boundary is act like a rubber band. Allow the rubber band to shrink according to the shape of this pipe. This gray grid is a pipe now. What is the shape? Here is the resultant shape. Okay, see this at this point it touches here. This touches this area, then it moves till here. Okay, this rubber band takes the shape of this pipe. This resultant shape is the minimum perimeter polygon of this curve like structure. So how to get the shape? Okay, for that we are taking the same grid structure. This light gray is the same boundary of the previous figure. So this is the light gray which represents the shape of the curve. We have an outer region, that is white grid, and an inner region. This inner region, the boundary of the inner region is this. Okay, this is the boundary, and we have a set of vertices here. Okay, mark each vertices. Then categorize each vertices into convex vertices and concave vertices. So how to find it? The simplest way is to measure the angle. Okay, see this white dots. Okay, they are 90 degree. So you have to measure inside, from inside, not from outside. You have to measure like here. Okay, I am only showing the white dots now. See, these are white dots. So this is the shape 90 degree. Okay, so this white dots, they are the convex vertices. Now let me move on to the black dots. See the angle. Measure from inside. See this, greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. Everything greater than 90 degree. See this, everything greater than 90. So these black dots are concave vertices. Now let convex vertices be there, and for the concave vertices you displace this concave vertices to the mirror boundary. So they have a mirror location. This concave vertices, they have a mirror location. So displace this concave, every concave vertices displace to their mirror location. Convex vertices, let it be there. Okay, I hope it is clear for you. This is the mirror vertices, mirror vertex of this concave. Okay, every concave, for every concave vertex I took the mirror. Okay, now this over. Now join the boundary, okay, using all the convex vertices and the mirror boundary of the concave. So let us draw. I'm going to draw. See this? I joined convex, then I move on to the mirror of the concave. Next is this one. So we will get the same shape as we saw in the last slide. Now, so this is the shape. So this is the same shape when we allowed the rubber band to shrink. So this is how to get the polygonal approximation of a boundary like structure. This is the output. Okay. The minimum perimeter polygon approximation algorithm works like this.